Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to add Google reCAPTCHA to your WordPress website in just a few easy steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to keep your site secure from bots and spam, so your forms are protected and your users can enjoy a safer browsing experience. Let's dive right in and get your site locked down with reCAPTCHA. The first thing you want to do is head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the settings area of the reCAPTCHA plugin you installed. For most plugins, you'll find this under Settings, and it's often called something like Advanced Google reCAPTCHA. If you're not seeing it right away, don't panic. Sometimes there's a specific tab for the plugin on the left sidebar. Just take a moment to navigate, and once you land on the settings page, you're in the right spot to get started. Next up, you'll need to enter your reCAPTCHA site key and secret key. These are unique codes you get from the Google reCAPTCHA website when you register your domain. If you haven't grabbed them yet, just open a new tab, head to Google's reCAPTCHA admin console and register your website. It's a quick process. You just add your domain name and select the type of reCAPTCHA you want. Once you have your keys, copy and paste each one into the proper fields back in your WordPress plugin settings. The site key typically goes in the first box, and the secret key follows right after. Make sure you avoid any extra spaces when pasting. Sometimes an accidental space can cause headaches later on. It's always smart to verify that those credentials are working, so now look for a button labeled Verify CAPTCHA. Go ahead and click this. What this does is checks in real time with Google to confirm that your keys are correct and active for your site. If everything's set up properly, you'll get a success message right away. If you see an error, double-check for any typos or try regenerating your keys from Google's side. Don't worry if it takes a moment to get this right, it's worth the double-check for a smooth integration. With the keys working, you can now decide where you actually want reCAPTCHA to show up on your site. You'll see a Where to Show tab or something similar in the plugin settings. This is where you can really customize your site's protection. You'll typically see options for the login form, registration form, comment form, and lost password form. It's a great idea to enable reCAPTCHA for all the forms where users can enter information. For example, having it on your login and registration forms keeps spammers from automatically creating fake accounts, while adding it to your comment form can dramatically reduce unwanted spam comments. All you need to do here is toggle the switch or checkbox next to each form you want to protect. If you're not sure about a setting, you can always come back later and tweak these options to fine-tune your site's defenses. Don't forget this final step, scroll down and click Save Changes. This might seem obvious, but it's super important because your new security settings won't take effect until you save them. I always recommend reloading your site after saving, then visiting each form you enabled reCAPTCHA for just to make sure it's displaying correctly. You should see the familiar "I'm not a robot" checkbox right where you set it. And that's all there is to it. Your WordPress site is now safer from bots and spam with Google reCAPTCHA working quietly in the background. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into trouble with your plugin settings, just leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. For more straightforward, step-by-step tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching and good luck securing your site.